FEMI FALANA. Fulani herdsmen cannot forcefully acquire, settle on land. It's not done. Our very own son, Femi Falana, has replied the federal government. As a matter of fact, Bauchi state governor seems to be like he's on drug or he's intoxicated or he's high because he has no jurisdiction. His mouth just run wide. He just says it as it comes. There is no decorum. Saying emphatically to Fulani herdsmen, emboldening them, telling them that they can do as they please, they can go anywhere and settle anywhere. It's not done. Anyone who wants to have a piece of property, there is orderliness on how that is done. You inquire, you make your purchase, you get the relevant documentation, the land become yours. You don't, if not, there will be disorder. You know, let's just please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get straight into the news. Femi Fanikayode, Femi Falana, herdsmen cannot forcefully acquire, settle on land. Nobody, however highly placed he or she may be, is permitted to forcefully acquire any land by force and arms or any arms in the state of Nigeria. A leading consultant and human rights lawyer, Mr. Femi Falana San, had said. Falana, a former president of the West Africa Bar Association, admitted that Section 41 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, guarantee freedom of movement, but points out that the same instrument, however, guarantees anybody freedom to settle anywhere. He offered his legal opinion in response to the inquiry with respect to the statement by Bauchi State Governor, Senator Balam Mohammed, that citizens do not need the permission of the Ondo State Governor, Mr. Olurotimi San, to live in his state forest reserve. Mohammed has made a statement in defense of Fulani herdsmen, who Olurotimi has directed to quit the state forest reserve for allegedly illegal occupants, kidnapping, ransom, killing of landowners, and raping women. Mohammed, on a live television broadcast on Friday, had claimed land is in the hand of the state and federal government in trust. Nigerians do not need the permission of any governor or of the federal government to settle anywhere. You do not need the permission of the governor of Bauchi or the governor of Ondo to be in the forest of Ondo. If you choose to live in the forest because under Section 41 of the Constitution, you are free to settle anywhere. In response to Mohammed's claim, Falana consulted the governor and reminded him that the same Section 41 of the 1999 Constitution only guarantee freedom of movement, not freedom to settle anywhere. Under Section 45 of the Constitution, however, Falana pointed out that any person is entitled to own their own innovative property in any state of Nigeria. The senior lawyer explained, if your house or land is compulsorily acquired by the government for public purpose, you are entitled to just and fair compensation by virtue of Section 44 of the Constitution. The senior lawyer also clarified that every person who intends to settle in any state will be required to acquire the land under the Land Act use. Upon the acquiring of the land, Falani noted that the owner is requested to apply for the approval of his or her building plan. No one is permitted to forcefully acquire land or settle anywhere aimlessly in Nigeria. This will lead to breakdown of law and order. The owner of an illegal occupied land is entitled to sue for the recovery of the land and the payment of damage for trespass. If the land belongs to the government, the property on it may be demolished without due procedures. Citing this complying premises of the 1999 Constitution, Falana warned Malam Mohammed to stop misleading herders to acquire land for cattle business without complying with the Land Use Act, urban and region law, forest law, and anti-grazing law in the affected areas, communities, or states. The senior advocate therefore draw the attention of Bala Mohammed to Section 44, subsection 1, E and G of the Forest Law Cap 54 laws of the Ondo State 2006. The section states, whoever in any forest reserve except for the authority in a written permission digs or cuts, turns the soil, will have to pay for it. Pastures, cattle, or permit cattle to trespass in any of this area will have to pay. The government have to be duly informed, permission have to be taken, and summary of conviction can carry on with proceedings with also penalty of imprisonment or money being paid. In section 42 subsection 2 of the law stipulated, in addition to the penalty imposed under section 1 of the section, any farmer or any farm or plantation or building or infrastructure found in the reserve should be destroyed or demolished completely, and the compensation should be paid to the state treasury. With due regards to this provision, Falana noted that the leader of the Maeti Allah Association has entered into an agreement with the Southwest governors to regulate the business activity of the herdsmen operating in Ondo State in other states in the region. On other grounds, Falana also asked Bala Mohammed to stop inciting herdsmen to bear weapon without license and entering into forest reserve without authorization. He also advised him to engulf himself and learn more and learn from Gani of learn from Ganduje, the governor of Kaduna, and a few others who have embarked on establishment of ranches for herdsmen in order to make sure that there is peace and order in the country. Join the peace following trade, not the ones making effort to destroy the nation, the peace and the unity. Falana has warned Bala Mohammed as he tries to incite fear and evil in the country. So my people, there you have it. We'd like you to leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.